Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this OutCool U-Flex cooling pack. We're going to give this thing a try and see how it is. It says we can stay cool anywhere, anytime, so we're going to see if it'll cool me off because it's pretty hot in here right now, especially with all these lights on in my place. So let's see, how do we open this? Like that. Oh, look at this. This is what it looks like here. It's kind of like a rubbery plastic thing. So I'm going to assume I fill it with water and freeze it. Cooling methods. Yes, open the closure, pour in appropriate amount of water. Tighten the closure so I can add water or ice water into it. I'm just going to try it with some water and we'll see how this thing works. I hear some weird noises here. Let's see. I don't know why I'm dripping. Okay, let's see, I've got some water in here. I don't want to fill it over too tight, but too much. Okay, so there, it's got the water in there, and I can see it's sloshing around. And that's definitely cool because it's cold water in there. So actually, it's kind of cool. It's kind of nice. It's kind of better than some of those. I have some of those ones where it's a fan, where it blows up on you, but it's so noisy I can't hear anybody around me when I have it on. So this is actually kind of nice. Do it this way. I got two different ways. Don't know which is the up and down. Does it even show? Looks like it shows it with it down. See, it's got, like slightly got that bump there. I guess that bump kind of goes there to kind of hold it down. So it's kind of nice. I think I'm going to try this out when I'm outside working a little bit, just because the fan one, I can never hear the other people when it's going. So we'll see if this one works better. But it's definitely nice and cool. I think I'm going to stick it in the fridge and make it really cold. So I'm going to say I like it. It's the OutCool U-Flex cooling pack. Pretty cool item. Thumbs up.